Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Now let's look at natural gas. This is the weekly chart on natural gas. And as I shared with you, this is the daily chart actually. And here on the daily, we can see a little formation that seems to me cup and handle formation. The handle is being formed right now, and I expect a breakout to the upside. This is an interesting pattern, so let's look at the price target. Once we break out of this pattern, then the price target, this is the daily chart, so it's a bit faster than the weekly chart. In my previous video I shared and I talked about the weekly chart, and I will mention that again. We will look at the weekly chart one more time, but right now we are looking at the daily chart, and what I'm talking about is the question of days. So we've got this cup and handle formation, and I'm measuring the price target. If we break out of this pattern, so the price target is at around $11 level, so I expect it to break to the upside and we will hit $11 level. So I'm looking for longing opportunities here, and because I'm looking for longs, let's look at the 4-hour chart first. So this is the 4-hour chart on natural gas, and yeah, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this M pattern. If I look at the candles of the body, and I actually measured the price target and I shorted this based on this pattern, and I'm looking for long opportunities, but in the immediate short term it was a great possibility to short this. So yeah, so as you can see, here's an M pattern, and I measured it. Let's put it, I'm just measuring the bodies of the candle, and my price target got hit exactly as I was expecting it, and then we moved to the upside. Now because of this big move, I looked at possible longs, opening long positions, and I look at the 15-minute chart. In this case, I'm open to look at that, and I see a W pattern here, and this is a great opportunity for me. This was a great opportunity for me to long it, and of course we can long it for a very short term as well. And will my price target be hit? Let's just measure the bodies of the candles. I think it will be hit because I'm bullish on natural gas based on daily and weekly charts, so I think we are bullish. And so my price target right now in the immediate short term is actually 9.24, and right now on the 50-minute chart I see a possible triangle pattern being formed, which we will break out and probably hit my price target here. Anyway, so I'm bullish on natural gas. Let's go over to the weekly one more time and have a quick look at the weekly chart on natural gas. And I shared in my previous video, I talked about this pattern, which can be a W pattern, but someone said that this is a cup and handle formation, and this can be a cup and handle formation as well, or rather, because W pattern is usually at the bottom. Anyway, I think my measurement is valid, and once we break out to the upside, so once we break above 9.42, and we need to stay above 9.42, then my price target is $13. You can watch my previous video why. And a little bit above $13 we have resistance. So there are two price targets for me right now, $11 and $13 level. And of course natural gas, we are looking for longing opportunities, Now let's go over to oil, WTI oil. Let me find it. This is oil. Oil is moving in a channel, so no surprise we have ups and downs. We need to prepare for that. And we came up almost to hit the 50 EMA, and 50 EMA on the weekly offers resistance. On the weekly, we are still very bullish on oil because the 20 EMA is above 50 EMA. So yeah, but we move in this falling range, in this falling channel. Let's go over to the daily, and on the weekly my price target is 75. I shared in my previous videos why. So $75 level. Now here we go, we are running up. We can run up to the top of the channel, which is 91.64. We can have a wick like here to the upside. We will see, is this a W pattern, a bottoming formation? In this case we need to break out and stay above the channel, and also break above 94.2 and stay above there, and then this is a W pattern, but I don't think it is a W pattern. We are still in a downtrend, so I expect oil to come back down. All right, that's all for now. See you next time.